Hi, have you ever seen something on your phone and wished you could instantly learn more about it without switching apps? Circle to Search makes that possible. Whether you're watching a video, browsing social media, reading an article, or looking at a photo, this feature lets you search anything on your screen in just a few seconds. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Depending on your device brand, tap Display or System and Updates. Next, select Navigation bar or System Navigation. Look for the Circle to Search option and turn the switch on. If you do not see the option, make sure your phone supports the feature and is running the latest software version. Once enabled, you can use Circle to Search from almost anywhere on your phone. It works while you're using apps, watching YouTube videos, scrolling through social media, viewing images, shopping online, or reading web pages. The way you activate the feature depends on your navigation settings. If you're using gesture navigation, simply press and hold the slim navigation handle, also called the pill bar, at the bottom center of your screen. If your phone uses 3-button navigation, press and hold the home button instead. When Circle to Search activates, you'll notice a colorful shimmer animation and a Google search bar appear on the screen. This lets you know the feature is ready to use. Now, use your finger to circle, tap, highlight, or scribble over the object, text, image, or product you want to search. Google will instantly analyze your selection and display helpful search results without forcing you to leave your current app. You can even ask follow-up questions to get more detailed information. That's how you turn on and use Circle to Search on Android. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.